For your safety, do not listen to this video while driving. Calmly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale in your own time. Go for the next breath, and this time take all the oxygen in the world and transfer that to every cell of your body. Check on them, nourish them, embrace every cell, give them love, and go deeper. Go for the next breath, and this time take all the light and energy in the world and transfer that to every cell of your body and go deeper. 5. Fade away from your chair or the ground and go deeper. 4. Go deeper than that. 3. Become immune to the noise around you or the temperature and go deeper. 2. Go deep within. 1. Deep sleep. Go deep with trust. Trust the process because it's your process. Because you chose to be here today. So go deeper. The deeper you go, the closer you get to you. And that doesn't happen so often. So many obstacles between you and your own self. Worries, anxieties, competition, judgment, fear, and the list goes on and on. But as you go deeper and you get closer to your subconscious, there is no past or future. There is no judgment. There is no competition. It's all present moment. So go deeper. And all of a sudden, your body is asking for more of that oxygen and energy, and you decide to go out and about to get that from nature. You get out of your place and you see a beautiful meadow around you, beautiful nature. But to get there, you need to go down some steps. I'm not sure how many, but we go together. Those steps are: 1, safe, a stone step, smooth, with the handrail. You can just start going down safely. 12, 11, go deeper. 10, 9, go deeper. 8, and you stop there. You look around, and that tells you sometimes in life we need to pause. We need to slow down and just be aware of the surrounding and be aware of the present moment, and breathe that down, deep down into your soul, and you go deeper. 8, 7, go deeper. 6, 5, go deeper. 4, 3, go deep. 2, 1, and you are there in that beautiful nature. You start walking. All of a sudden you are wondering where that amount of safety and security comes from. And you soon discover, because you are landed in the wonderland of your subconscious. It's you, it's nature, it's beauty, and it's energy, and you start walking safe, secure, full of joy. As you are walking in the nature, your body demands more of that energy, and you decide to take your shoes off, and you do. As you take your shoes off and start walking in that beautiful nature, and on that beautiful cooling grass, barefoot, feel the energy, the coolness of the grass. Your body is grabbing that energy of the earth from the sole of your feet to every cell of your body. I want you to feel it. Your body is observe that energy. And as you are walking, birds are singing. Sing along. Enjoy the freedom. The sun is hugging you with those silky, shining arms of itself. You feel the warmth. It's like you have a remote control in your hand, and you can just have the temperature exactly as you love. You enjoy the weather. You are walking on that grass. Those beautiful flowers. Stop next to one of these flowers. Just bend and hold one of them in your hand. Feel the petals. Rub it on your face. Breathe the calmness of that flower to every cell of your body. You continue walking, touching the trees, feeling the sun, getting the energy and coolness of the grass. And at some point, you want just to sit down and get more of that energy, and you do. You sit down, cross-legged. Rest your hands on your lap. Calmly close your eyes and start breathing in and exhale. Calm. Breathe in that calmness of that nature. Exhale all the anxiety. Breathe in the warmth of the sun, and exhale the pain and suffering. Breathe in the calmness, the beauty of those flowers, and exhale all the guilt, all the shame. Let them go. Breathe in the present moment and exhale all the past or future. Breathe in the peace and exhale worries, and you go deeper and deeper and deeper You are in the wonderland of your subconscious. That's the safest place that you could be. No one can reach you. All the noise of outside world is cut off. All you have, it's you, silent, nature, and peace. Hold that in your heart. Register that to your soul. Enjoy every second of it. That's a gift. That doesn't happen so often. Enjoy the moment. And now you open your eyes. You see the silky arms of the sun hugging you. You feel the warmth of the sun. You see the grass. You see the tree. And the birds are singing. Listen to that singing, sing along. Celebrate the moment that you were with you. When you open your eyes, you see a bottle of water next to you. You feel thirsty. Get that bottle of water. Hold it between your two hands. Just exchange some energy with that water. Talk to that water. Tell that water your wishes, what you want. And now you start drinking that water. Go ahead. Just you feel the coolness of the water in your mouth. Go with it. Going to the throat, going down the whole route you are with that water until it gets to your cells. And now every cell of your body is ready for you to cooperate with you and make your wishes come true. From this moment, you are blocked to any negative energy. From this moment on, you only move forward towards your goal to bring them to the light. From this moment, you have the motivation, the strength, and the confidence to meet your goals. because you know you can. And with that, you get ready to come back to your physical body. But before that, remember to save that energy that you got in this journey to every cell of your body. Register that. Remember to have your tools with you as you are coming back. Peace, confidence, moving forward towards your goals, celebrating the present moment, cooperating with every cell to make your wishes come true. And take the first step. 1. Check your breath. Take a deep one. 2. Become aware of your body, your hands, your legs. 3. Become aware of your surrounding. If there is any noise around you or the temperature. 4. Go to the back of your eyes. Check on them. Get them ready to open. 5. Eyes open. Wide awake. Welcome back.